Good morning, campers, and this is bake day. I've made 3 kilos of dough, and they're rising in my two new pans. You can see I've made the slash on the side because when I make the slash on the top, it makes a funny pattern which I don't like. Well, I like, but it looks a bit like something. So this has got another hour to go to rise, or even longer. I should put them in the fridge actually, so they rise slowly, you know. They have risen since I've put them in the pan. And it's a cold morning. It's a cold, wet. Sparrows. I put some food out as usual. It's a chilly morning. Last day of spring, of summer. Autumn has arrived. That there is what was left in the. Oh, you can see the rock salt. That there funny bit there. That's what was in the mixing bowl. I scraped it off and put it on there. Okay, it's from my mixing bowl. That's from my friend in Australia. Okay, I'll close that, post this off. Put these in the oven later, and you get the finished product will